It's time for the new edition of the Cinefleur Florist contest. Two florists from Flor Margarita will go head-to-head to compete for the title of Best Florist using the Lisianthus Alissa. The Lisianthus Alissa is an irresistible combination of strength and beauty. Large, well-filled double flowers with lightly fringed petals, a delicate color and big round flower buds. Let's see what they will create. Alberto, tell me something about your bouquet.
Pues mira, yo he hecho un bouquet con Lisianthus Alissa. He hecho un primaveral bastante maximalista, en tonos muy cálidos y románticos. Y chicos, espero que gane mi ramo.
Perfecto. Hola Gemma.
Hola.
Can you say something about your bouquet?
Composición con una estructura con Lisianthus Alissa arriesgada y bonita. Creo muy bonita.
Sí. And you think you're going to win?
Pues podría ganar cualquiera, pero tal vez por diseño. ¿Podría ser?
Perfecto. Two amazing floral designs by two amazing florists. Now you, as viewer of Cinefleur magazine, gets to decide the winner. Pick your favorite in the poll. And as always, thank you for watching.